Salin Plus, a dry saline air purifier, has been developed as an innovative and effective medical device that provides a non-invasive and complementary therapy for a wide range of respiratory conditions, including asthma, hay fever, sinusitis, respiratory allergies, nasal congestion, ear infections, snoring, COPD, bronchitis, cystic fibrosis, and bronchiectasis. The device contains a special filter packed with purified rock salt containing over 98% sodium chloride and other vital trace elements. If we look at the inflamed upper and lower airways, we see that the body's main defense system under these conditions is unable to move the mucus outwards. This congestion can lead to difficulty breathing, disrupted sleep, sinus pain, and increased risk of a respiratory or middle ear infection. Let's see what happens when you use Salin Plus every night while you sleep. The Salin Plus device will remove airborne pollutants such as dust, pet dander, smoke and odor, and quietly fill your room with a saline aerosol. When inhaled, the saline particles are small enough to travel deep down into the lungs. The presence of the sodium ion reduces airway and nasal mucus, assisting their swift removal from the respiratory passages. The sodium ion also reduces swelling and inflammation in the upper and lower respiratory passages, enabling the user to breathe more freely. Users will wake up feeling refreshed following a better quality night's sleep. A healthy respiratory system will improve your breathing and may help prevent infection. The scientific evidence for saline therapy as an effective complementary treatment has been established through numerous clinical studies carried out in Australia and Europe. There are 2 devices in the range, designed to accommodate different room sizes, with Salin Plus providing 4 times the output of the smaller Salin device. The devices are designed to be used all year round, with a daily recommended use of 6 to 8 hours. There is no corrosive effect on the environment it operates in and no side effect on the user. Try Salin Plus today, risk-free, with its 60-day 100% customer satisfaction guarantee and benefit from the positive effects of aerosolized saline on your body.